us and Adam miss. Coffee inside studio. We just the gist, we just they play, we just they. And you know, say today na happy day. Today na happy day. Happy birthday from all of us.
I'm Shakity Boboring.
I'm
Shakity Boboring.
Very soon you could create your dance step too. Not be you again. That is it. Hey, you too much. When they see as I just they look you like film.
I have different dance step I've created. It's what it's about whether you can do it.
Wait, what's in the inspire? This is your dance step.
Yes.
Waiting, how you take develop them?
Okay.
I reach to us, so.
You know me the first person who don't ask me this question. The thing we say, dance be like person where carry paint. And you get white canvas and you want paint something. Okay. So the music na be where the direction of the image dey. Then you can't take the dance, just they create picture, say get as you want take see am.
You don't dance speak in tongues before?
Ah, I tell you. Let me tell you something. I need to go all Pastor Chris on you right now.
Yeah.
There is something about dance that you don't know. There is a power that it carries.
Right on.
I know a good power, Sha.
It's a very good one. No, and it's a spiritual something. It's something that comes from the Almighty God. Okay. When it manifests into you and it starts to proclaim and become and develop, the kind of movement where you go see, you go say, how you think all this thing in that 1 second where the song take beat. Even me, I don't feel answer that question, but I just know, say, I fit. That's why they say something na ability and some things na ability. This one is ability. They burn me with You know, say that's so crazy. My brother. Tell him. I did not hear it.
My sister.
So you understand? I cannot explain it because I cannot explain it. Trust me. I just know, say, when I hear music, there are different things. Maybe the thing will make it easy for you to understand in case you want to understand how you self want to take move. You know, say music get different things where they carry them. It's either beat they carry them. It's either rhythm they carry them, or it's better than the lyrics. Some songs don't give you the instruction. Wave your hands, wave your hands. You wave your hands. Some songs go say, bere mole, kojo, you bere mole. Some don't they give you instruction. Where some na the
those kind of ones, so the different texture.
You don't get that. So they're the feeling. You go the
They
feel.
don't come dance for you for dream. You don't sleep. Dream dance. They dance.
They no go come dance for me for dream. They will never come and dance for me.
She go dance for
They
dream.
no never, no man, woman, or living thing, or supernatural, or not, shall come and dance for me.
Hey, man, no! Because where I come from, I grew up where I was, my husband saying, you make me benefit every day. They for carry you go church. Hey, but this child,
no, person talk I go worry, go perform. The performance where I do, it get as I take commot to the audience. Now, after the show, one man find me come for backstage. He say him and one king and some people they back. Say as I they come, the man as I they talk, and so the man they follow me talk. He said, as you just a mash. You are mash. And you, the next thing, you just look like this. I say, hey, is this a human being? Then the man behind me confirmed it. He said, this girl is spiritual. Spirit is worrying her. No Nigerian, I never seen Nigerian dance like this. Say, my girl, my baby girl, you emerge. And you come then, you just, they not emerge. I don't understand. So he say, now so you just, they move like, say, you know, they see us, like, say, where we did this audience, we know they. You just did somewhere else.
But you don't know, say, now the dance, they don't carry you go now.
But I did the hall, no be say I go anywhere now because before you can't turn out to something.
No, I just right here.
I did inside the hall. No. I don't go anywhere.
I don't say you don't go anywhere. Now if you're not you go anywhere. Where you go? Wherever you go, you come back. About the law of gravity, what goes up must come down. So you have So who and we go quick come out for inside studio.
Yeah.
Who and who where you never work with, where you go like work with?
For Nigeria.
And outside and be joined.
They even tell me say they get something special. I don't know. They say something special they will want to see. They tell me from back.
What you don't do again?
No, I'm not sure.
I get mommy, I don't trust her.
They say we won't watch them now.
I watch them. I can't stop grinning.
And now, you see, so we don't know. We know all your secrets. All those pictures where you hide, go take.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday from all of us here. K Moose, K Salo, mini March, mini tall, mini small, all and all. The aforementioned and the below mentioned and the non-mentioned.
Thank you. I was watching that piece you guys did, and I have a mixed feeling about it. You know, I thank God. I thank God really much. I thank God for today. I thank God for what you guys have done. Because for me personally, this is what I'm trying to tell the young people, that whatever it is you are in life, sorry I'm breaking down in tears, whatever you are, you can be celebrated. Do you understand? I'm doing dance, and some people have to die for you to do this for them. Do you get what I'm saying? Some people have lost their lives for you to take your things together and celebrate them for that. But look, I'm alive. I don't feel like I'm done, and you guys are doing this, so thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much.
So we'll take rapture today.
Thank you so much.
On top nice show, this nice. Thank you to Kaffy. Kaffy will come back again on top of the show. No how she must come back. Clean your
Thank you so much. Yeah, sorry.
Happy birthday, Kaffy. So,
thank
to all of you, sorry say we'll not take a phone call. Now yours today, one of those days, you know, as it be. And Kaffy, too many things to talk about: family life, how to balance motherhood, children, work.
It's a lot.
She say, you know, dance when she don't train, her dance academy, future plans, everything. So because of that, Kaffy will come back again. The day she will come back, she not go cry like this because it's not gonna be her birthday again. Her birthday go don't pass. Good night and God bless. Easy.
I be banging on that bass, banging on that bass. I be banging on, banging on that bass. I be banging on that bass, banging on that bass. I be
Think it's about time, hitters get about on, putting you in your place. Bringing that heat away blazing, popping so amazing when the bit of on your face. Bang, 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 make you twerk like a rotor, make you work. Hit it, drop it low, you get a rug, that is for sure. They call me Kaffy, do me like Jackie Yardy. Papa's gonna make me naughty, make me gaudy, make me ready. Yeah, you gotta bow down, cause we run the whole town. Make you feeling, bring that bass.
I be banging on that bass, banging on that bass. I be banging on that bass.